It's time to hop, guys. Good morning, guys. How's Good morning, guys. What's happening? It is a beautiful day in New York. It starts snowing and I love it. It's crazy how much snow it is. Look at this look. Yep. The king is back. YOtube is back, guys. I'm gonna do some time lapse for you guys. Give you some shots of New York. So psyched to show you around. So enjoy this beautiful day with me. Enjoy. This guy can drive away. Look, check this out. He got it. Yeah. The best part of the snow is that New York is actually very quiet. That's what I really like. I wish every one of you guys could be here right now to get the same experience. It is incredible. I know a lot of New Yorkers might hate me right now that I'm doing this video because they hate not to be able to go out. I mean, they can go out, but it's just like ridiculous windy and cold. But I love doing this, and I'm so psyched to show you more, guys. So enjoy, man. Enjoy!
I've been sinking deep back to the ocean floor, hiding from the light above the surface.
It's time to hop, guys. Alright, guys, we tried, but we couldn't do it. We're still gonna continue. I hope you guys like this vlog. Please subscribe. See you next time. Big love from New York City. Damn, I'm freezing. Coffee time.
Together.
You guys might think, Yusuf, are you crazy? Why are you doing this to yourself? But on the end, I see this as a life experience, and I'm very happy to go through this right now, to see how much snow lands in New York. It is crazy, guys. It is amazing. I'm super in love with the snow. You think it's a good sign when I don't feel my hands anymore? I'm still happy though. Stay positive. Be happy.